Turmeric is a flowering plant, Curcuma longa, of the ginger family, Zingiberaceae, the rhizomes of which are used in cooking. Turmeric powder has a warm, bitter, black pepper-like flavor and earthy, mustard-like aroma. From India, it spread to Southeast Asia along with Hinduism and Buddhism, as the yellow dye is used to color the robes of monks and priests. The spice known as turmeric may be the most effective nutritional supplement in existence. Many high-quality studies show that turmeric has major benefits for your body and brain. Many of these benefits come from its main active ingredient, curcumin. What is turmeric good for? Turmeric and especially its most active compound, curcumin, have many scientifically proven health benefits, such as the potential to improve heart health and prevent against Alzheimer's and cancer. It's a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It may also help improve symptoms of depression and arthritis. Is it safe to take turmeric every day? The World Health Organization found 1.4 milligrams of turmeric per pound of body weight is okay for daily intake. It's not advisable to take high doses of turmeric for long periods of time. What is bad about turmeric? Taking turmeric in large doses has potential risks. Mild side effects include upset stomach, acid reflux, diarrhea, dizziness and headaches. Consuming large doses of turmeric supplements can significantly increase the levels of urinary oxalate, increasing the risk of kidney stone formation.